Hey, let's do a quick tutorial on the ceiling balloons with air and not helium. We're trying to save money. And it's really easy. So you're going to start off with a hand pump or electric balloon pump. Whichever one you prefer, whichever one you have on hand. But the electric balloon pump is quicker. So you're going to inflate your balloon. You want to inflate it to the tear shape like a helium balloon. You want it to mimic a helium balloon, not like this round one right here. So we're going to add some more air to get that little teardrop shape or whatever shape you want to go with. Just make sure all your balloons are the same. Now we're going to grab our curling ribbon. Yes, I have the big spool of the curling ribbon. Got it from Party City because it was marked down. So you're going to cut all your string longer than what you need. Longer than what you need because you rather have more than less. Once you get all your string cut, you're going to take it, you're going to tie your balloon up. You can tie your balloon in a knot, then tie your string on, or you can tie your string inside of the knot. It's up to you. You do want to make sure they're the same length. But at the end, we're going to make sure that we curl the ends so it can give like a nice presentation. We don't want straight ends. Now we can go ahead and get our light bulb changer. I will say this about the light bulb changer. If you can only find this part right here for $5, that's cool. You can always go get a pole from somewhere else. I'm pretty sure we all got some extra ones in our house. If you're doing a really high ceiling, then you would need the extended one. But if you're doing regular ceilings, the other ones will work pretty well. A regular pole, I mean. Okay, in order to get the balloons to stick to the ceiling, we need to add an adhesive, a removable adhesive. So we can either use painter's tape or masking tape. Masking tape is a little bit stickier. We can use U-glue dashes. They have a strong hold. Or we can use glue dots. It doesn't have to be this brand. You can go whichever ones you want to go with. If you have a certain brand of glue dots you work with, cool, use those. Not a big fan of glue dots, especially the cheap ones. I'm doing like a project that don't require too much adhesive. But that's what I'm saying. You have to test out which one works best for you. And then texture ceilings will be a whole different ball game. You have to see which one works better on texture ceilings. So I have a texture ceiling. I'm going to try it on the next video. I prefer to use the tape because it's easier to remove, and then you have to think about how will your clients be able to get this tape down. Don't want to put no extra work on them, the hotel staff, or anybody, or even your house. You don't want to do no extra work. So we're going to take the tape, we're going to roll it up, and we're going to push it down on the balloon. Make sure we get it nice and stuck on it. All right, here cracks me up because there was a girl on TikTok. She thought she invented the tape roll method for her posters. Like, girl, who don't roll their tape? But anywho, we're going to put the balloon on top of the changer, the light bulb changer. Then we're going to kind of fish the string through the slot. The best method is to line it up with the paint drip that's be in the middle of the balloon. That's the center. Right here, I'm going to show you how to do it again. So we're going to grab the balloon, have the tape in the middle. We're going to put it on top, and we're going to fish it through the little slot. And we're going to pull that string down tight and run it along the pole. So it's tight. Make sure it's centered. Now right here, we're going to go ahead and pop it up on the ceiling. Why are they going in slow motion? Oh, that was me. Okay, you're going to lift it straight up and give it like a nice little push up there. So make sure it's stuck. And then voila, let the string go. If you don't let the string go, it's going to come back down. So let the string go or fish it out, and then it's good to go. And then just repeat with the next balloon. I'm going to be quiet for a little second so you can see. Thank you. You're going to do the same thing with the next balloon. You're going to take it. Push it up.
Mama, my house sticking.
Boom.
My house.
String down. Center it. Put your tape on. Oh, you gonna put the tape on first or the tape on after? Well, like I said, whatever. Huh?
It froze a little.
Okay. Now you're gonna take that one. Put it right up next to the other ones. And there you go. And be careful when you're pulling the string off because you don't want to pull it off like that.
That's cool.
See?
I'm gonna make this one a little longer.
I'm gonna pull them down. The first one came down perfect without the pull them down. That one came down. So some of them come down perfect. Some of them don't. Get some more tape. You go get some more tape so we can redo it.
Yes, 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 yes.
So you gotta be careful. You don't want that to scratch up the ceiling. So I would use a quicker picker upper or put like a cloth or something over here so that gray marking from this do not leave marks on the ceiling. Again, right? So what I would do, I would rub that down real good. So hopefully that'll help with when you release the balloon from the ceiling, it'll come down. So here we go. Reacher. I'm like literally got the camera on the barn door. So yeah, like these had dirty balloon in. So be careful. This balloon, child, terrible. Make sure your balloon's nice and clean.
Mom, I did accident.
Too much? We're going to take it, give it a nice little push. And it might be dusty up there. Don't mind that. There you go. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Nice little rub. Make sure it's stuck on there real good. Make sure it's in the center. Go ahead. Pop the balloon up. And remember, you can inflate the balloons to whatever size you need. Whatever size look good. I don't think that it came right down, so that's a good thing. Again, let's try this again. Hold the string. Place the balloon up there. Give it a little bit push. Let the string go so it won't get caught inside here because it's going to come right back down. And then at the end, you can cut these to whatever length you need them. You can put your roses on it. Now, if you put roses on the end of this, you might have to double the tape up or use some more heavy duty tape. So I will actually try this out before you get to your event. Go home, try it out. Put the rose on there, put the picture on there, and see if that tape is going to hold it. If that tape is not, you either have to double the tape up or use some stronger tape, like the U-Glue Dash or something like that. But overall, that's how you do it. And then hopefully the tape come right down. Some of they may, some of them may not. And there you go. Happy ballooning. Bye-bye.